Hey woodworkers, want to score the best Prime Day tools at up to 65% off? I'm revealing 30 top Amazon finds that'll transform your shop, starting now. The secret isn't having the most tools, but the right ones. Tools that solve problems, save time, and boost your precision. I've sorted through thousands of listings to bring you the absolute best deals that will upgrade your workflow, whether you're a pro or just starting out. Grab a notepad, let's dive into 30 deals that'll make your fellow woodworkers jealous. Glue-ups can be a nightmare, but this corner clamp holds your pieces at a flawless right angle, freeing your hands for glue or screws. It's like having a super strong assistant for perfect joints every time. No more second guessing if your corners are square. This tool guarantees precision. Essential for cabinets, drawers, and box construction. At this price, it's a no-brainer for stress-free pro-level results. Bubble levels are slow and limited. The Green Laser Level Pro projects a bright, visible line across your workspace for instant, perfect alignment. It's self-leveling, so uneven floors aren't a problem. Set it up once and get a level reference for cabinets, shelves, or gallery walls in seconds. It speeds up layout and boosts accuracy, no more tedious measuring. For any project needing dead-on alignment, this is your new best friend. Consistent, accurate rip cuts are tough. This rip jig attaches to your table saw fence for micro-adjustable, repeatable cuts. It's perfect for thin strips or fine adjustments, turning your saw into a precision machine. The jig keeps your workpiece stable, minimizing blade wandering, a small investment for huge gains in quality and safety. Forget guessing angles. This digital tool measures and locks in any angle with LCD precision. Transfer exact measurements to your miter saw for flawless miters and joints. Once you use it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Need a sturdy work surface anywhere? This folding table sets up in seconds, supports serious weight, and folds down compactly. Integrated clamps secure your workpiece for sanding, cutting, or assembly. It's a portable, rock-solid foundation for any project, big or small. Dowel joints demand precision. This jig centers itself on your board for perfect holes every time. Just clamp, drill, and get flawless alignment for strong, clean joints. Essential for furniture and cabinet building. It elevates your joinery from amateur to pro, with minimal effort. Cutting, crown molding, or trim. This protractor gives you the exact miter saw setting. No math, no guesswork. Measure the corner, set your saw, and cut perfect joints every time. 2 scales make it foolproof for any application. A must-have for trim work and complex angles. Make perfectly square cuts with your track saw. This guide attaches to your rail and references off the edge for instant 90-degree accuracy. No more fumbling with framing squares. Essential for breaking down sheet goods with speed and confidence. Installing concealed hinges? This metal jig ensures perfect straight cup holes every time. No more crooked cabinet doors. Adjustable for different hinge types, it's a must for modern cabinetry. Turns a tricky task into a simple, repeatable process. Transform your workbench into a versatile clamping table. These clamps drop into dog holes for low-profile, powerful hold-downs. Work on your entire surface without obstruction. Quick to set up and adjust, they're like having a vise anywhere you need it. A true workshop essential. You can never have too many clamps. Bar clamps are the backbone of any assembly. Look for strong steel bars and comfortable handles for reliable, tight glue-ups. A variety of lengths prepares you for any project. Stock up now. Better clamps mean better projects. A router table and bandsaw are game changers. Shape, groove, and cut curves with pro-level control. Bandsaws excel at curves and resawing. Router tables make joinery and edge work safe and precise. Prime Day is the time to score these Cornerstone tools. Need drill press accuracy on big or installed pieces? This guide attaches to your hand drill for perfectly straight or angled holes anywhere. It's a must for hardware installs and dowel drilling. Bring drill press precision to any part of your shop. Avoid warped or cracked projects. This meter instantly tells you if your lumber is ready to use. Just press the pins in for a digital moisture reading, a small tool that saves you from huge headaches. Sand tight corners and intricate details with ease. This palm sander gets where others can't. It turns tedious hand sanding into a quick, consistent process. Achieve a pro-level finish even on tricky spots. Secure your workpiece safely and accurately. This vise bolts to your drill press and features non-marring soft jaws. Quick positioning and strong hold means safer, more precise drilling. It's a must for quality holes and safe operation. Match any shape or profile instantly. Press the gauge against your work, trace, and cut for a perfect fit. Ideal for flooring, tile, or any scribe work. No more trial and error. For a glass smooth finish, skip the sandpaper. These scrapers shave micro-thin layers for flawless surfaces. Multiple shapes tackle flats, curves, and moldings like a pro. For ultra-precise layout, a scriber makes crisp, fine lines that chisels and saws follow perfectly. Includes a wheel gauge for parallel lines, essential for fine joinery. Cut perfect circles with your jigsaw or router. This guide pivots for flawless, repeatable results. A must-have for tabletops, speaker cutouts, and curved work. No jointer? No problem. Attach this guide to your router for perfectly straight square board edges. An affordable, space-saving solution for glue-ups. Precisely set blade or bit heights in seconds. These machined blocks are more accurate than tape measures. Grab the block you need and get perfect, repeatable setups every time. Turn your circular saw into a track saw. This jig clamps on for straight, accurate cuts in sheet goods. Perfect for breaking down plywood with pro-level precision. Even a basic green laser level is a huge upgrade. Brighter, self-leveling, and perfect for shop tasks or assembly. Entry-level price, game-changing results. Instantly find the center of any board edge. Just place, mark, and drill with total accuracy. Sometimes you need a classic. Empire's durable, accurate levels are shop staples for setup and checks. Prime Day is the time to grab a quality one for less. A sharp chisel set is essential for joinery and fine-tuning fits. Look for hardened steel and comfy handles. Start with quality, keep them sharp, and your work will show it. Upgrade to a high-quality drill bit set. Look for a wide range of sizes and durable materials for clean, precise holes. Brad point bits are a must for woodworking. The jigsaw is the jack of all trades. Cut curves and shapes anywhere, even where a bandsaw can't go. A modern jigsaw is essential, and Prime Day makes it affordable. Protect your lungs with a high-quality dust mask or respirator. Wood dust is no joke. Look for one with replaceable filters and a comfortable fit. You'll actually wear it, and your health will thank you. It's the best investment on this list. That's 30 tools and massive savings. Each one solves real woodworking problems and boosts your results. Prime Day deals go fast, so check the links in the description and act quickly. Let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited about. Next week, I'll show you how to light your workshop for pro-level photos and video. Don't miss it. Hit subscribe and ring the bell for more tips. Until then, don't just build, decorate with Tools and Decor USA.